As far as Doge support floor, it certainly is presently $0.056, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin essentially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they fundamentally thought. Doge certainly rose 6.74% in 7 days in a sort of enormous way. 26 June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what certainly is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, most certainly is Doge a kind of wise venture, or so they generally thought, Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, which generally shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on. Or so they in a real sense thought. In any case, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300. So market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, or so they really thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $32,396,217,087. So yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Doge specialized examination, explicitly let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Essentially further appearance, how Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, really in spite of mainstream thinking, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level, after a decay of 0.52%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours, showing how Dogecoin cost investigation in a real sense is negative today, which especially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it, for the most part, is presently $0.056 in an essentially large manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, showing how Doge generally rose 6.74% in 7 days, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending course for exceptionally present moment. So as far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently $0.056, which sort of is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Dogecoin especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an especially significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more by and large dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it certainly is presently $0.056, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which merchants basically become move especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost examination fundamentally is negative today, in a kind of large manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, sort of is at $0.066, down 1.27% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 6.74% over the course of the week. Exceptionally further appearance how 26 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? Basically is Doge a very wise venture, which essentially is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 206,766,741.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $9,284,405,825 United States dollars in a by and large enormous manner. There basically are practically 139,925,686,384 in a real sense are available for use out of 139,925,686,384. So there explicitly are practically 139,925,686,384. For the most part are available for use out of 139,925,686,384, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 26 June 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. Genuinely further appearance, how Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, which most certainly shows that Dogecoin support and opposition levels, and so on, in a kind of enormous manner, while Doge's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially Signal certainly is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past